If you could go back in time, what would you do if you stepped into the learning factory? What could students do now with your help?
My capstone project is developing a device to measure the shunt effectiveness in hydrocephalus patients. Making a device that can help others in the surgery room seemed like a cool challenge. It's a very iterative process, but we're confident that we'll have a really good product at the end of it. We have 2 sponsors/mentors. The sponsors provide the budget, as well as that they provide a lot of resources and guidance. So at the end, anything that's attached to our prototype or our solutions goes straight to them, and they can decide what they want to do with it moving forward. I honestly don't think we could complete this without the support of our mentor. He's a great resource, and we appreciate all the work that he puts into our project. I'm excited to get more industry experience in product design, which is really my passion and what I look forward to doing moving forward.